Hello everyone, welcome back to this exciting video lessons by Adrenaline the Bazooka Prophet, CEO Adrenaline Online Private Tutorial Platform, a platform that has helped a lot of students to master all sciences, be it physics, chemistry, mathematics, algebra, calculus, just name them. We are best at what we do, and there are so many evidences which I have posted on my social handles on how well our students all around the world, in United States, in Great Britain, in France, in Argentina, just name them, all the countries, even in my country, Nigeria, a lot of testimonies all around, because we believe that every student has the potential to be the best version of themselves when they have a good tutor, a guidance, and a counselor who are always by their side. And one of the criteria for a nation to be great is the good teachers, the good tutors who are always with these younger generations, because they are future leaders. So can we continue right now? So this is a question under a grade 12. This is for grade 12. Remember, we take students from grade 3, 4 down, straight down to grade 12, straight down to even when they even get into the universities and colleges, we are the best. We deliver top notch, no caps about it. You can see from the way we teach in our videos, we are exceptional, no doubt. Now, this is a question under chain rule, which we have done a question before. This is a much more complex one, so let's go straight. Now, what do? The question says, find the differentiation of u here, whereby y is of y here, y is equal to the square root of 3x squared minus 4, which is also same as bracket 3x squared minus 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2, which is half. Now, we are assuming everything in this bracket here to be u. So u here is 3x squared minus 4. If I differentiate u here, which is u prime, will become equal to, of course, as usual, which we have done in our previous video, this power, which is 2 here, multiply 3 to give me 6. That's just the rule. No, some students want to ask, why are you doing like that? Why? No, there is always a laid down principles that we follow while we are doing anything, even in life. There are principles which you don't go against. So here become 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Of course, you have to remove 1 from this power here, which is that is the rule. 2 minus 1 is 1. So x, so we do not write 1 at the power, because we already know that anything on its own has the power of, any letters on its own have the power of 1. So just take note. Now, we cannot differentiate numbers only because there is no x here. So this one turns automatically to 0. So we leave it. Is that understood now? So we now apply the formula, which is y prime is equal to, of course, this is my target now. Let's move. This power here will multiply the coefficient of this u here, because this is same as u. Half times 1 is half. Then I will bring everything, this u, down, which is 3x squared minus 4. Now, you have to remove 1 from this power here, which is half minus 1 will give me negative half, multiplied by the differentiation of u here, which gave me 6x. Of course, let's go 2 here, 1, 2 into 6 will give me 3. So which is also equal to 3x squared minus 4, of course, raised to the power of negative 1 over 2, multiplied by what now? 3 what? X. Right? I can further break this one down or simplify it to be equal to, of course, here will give me 3x. This negative power here will become divided by, here become 3x squared minus 4 raised to the power of half. We can see further be simplified to be 3x over the square root of 3x squared minus 4. That is just how easy it is. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Right? So do well to like, share, and subscribe, and do well to contact us for an online classes anywhere you are all around the world. So I'll give you a classwork now which you do, and drop for me the answer on your comment, like on my comment section. So for y, let me use a blue pen so you know that it is different from this. Y is equal to square root 4x squared, okay, plus 10. Find y prime. And that is just the end of this video. Thank you, and God bless you.